Kia ora, welcome to the Activate Tāmaki Makaurau portal instruction video series for registered service providers. The third video in this series will guide you through the invoicing process, how to find a purchase order, and receiving payments. Once the work has been completed, it's time to invoice for the services provided. You'll require a purchase order number to add to your invoice. POs are created once a contract is signed by both the client and the service provider and can take up to 10 days to be created. POs created may cover multiple businesses and contracts a service provider is working with. And service providers working with a high number of businesses may be issued multiple POs. If you cannot complete a contract and create an invoice due to the late issuing of a PO, your client can still apply for additional funding using the Apply for Additional Funding tab in their portal. POs are a 10-digit number starting with 660 and when created can be found by clicking on the My AU Contract Signed tab, then clicking on the orange hyperlink under Contract's name to review their details. Under Details, you'll find the PO number. If no PO is visible, your contract's PO has not been created and you are unable to invoice for the contract until it has. To make sure your invoice gets accepted, please make sure it has the following information clearly stated: tax invoice in a prominent place, name and GST number of the supplier, legal name and address of the recipient, invoice issue date, description of goods and services provided following the format of client name, fund name, and service category. Either the total value plus GST or the total with the statement GST inclusive. 10-digit purchase order and correct amounts per signed contract. Once the invoice has been uploaded by the service provider, the business will receive an email to ask them to confirm the services have been completed. Note that if the business does not do this within 3 days, the services will be assumed as completed. Payment will be made within 30 days of submitting an invoice and will be paid into your nominated bank account. Service providers working with multiple businesses and contracts or working with Auckland Council on other projects may receive lump sum payments. Remittance advices emailed to the service providers will include a breakdown of payments made. Ka mau te wehi. Awesome! Thank you for watching the Activate Tāmaki Makaurau Explainer video series for service providers. We hope these videos have been helpful to you.